This is a Speed Queen Wringer washer, and recently we were having trouble with it draining. It's draining right now, as you can tell. And if you don't know, on the Wringer washer, to drain them, you have a hose on the side that when you want to fill your tub, it's standing up. And so to drain it, you just lay it down on the ground and it drains. And so ours was not draining recently. We couldn't figure out how to take it apart. I thought I would do a video to show people how you do it. It's really simple. This top part here is basically a screw. So you unscrew it. It's really hard the first time. It has like a bolt and a washer in there. At least it was really hard when we did it. I don't think it had ever been taken apart. And this just pops off. And then inside of here is where the nastiness is. There's a little, like a colander looking thing, filter. And you can clean that off. And get all the sticks and dirt, everything else that your kids leave in their clothes. Just rinsing it out. And it will keep draining. There's a rock. Once you have it as clean as you want, you get all the sticks and rocks out basically. You put this back on. And you want to make it snug in there. And then you take your cap and it screws right back on. You can make it tight. And then you're ready to wash again. Alright, well, that was just two things that I have been searching for and hadn't found answers for when our washer wasn't draining, so I thought I would put it out there for anyone else that might be having those same problems. Okay, I'll see you guys later.